This is a Massey Ferguson 135.
This is Massey Ferguson 135. It's a project tractor as is. As you can see, everything runs and operates as it should. The tachometer and the proof meter do not work. Somebody has changed the generator, and it's a generator drive type proof meter. That's why it doesn't work. Oil pressure gauge works, the temperature gauge works, the amperage gauge works, and the fuel gauge works. It does have just a slight little bit of rust in the tank. Sometimes it'll bobble a little bit while it's running. We cleaned it out the best we could. Other than that, the old tractor runs great. Come and see us at Tractor Town.